Now that the cabinets are in and the countertop installed, the next step was to remove the old faucet. So first I'm going to shut off the water supply, disconnect the hose and get them drained. And then undo the mounting nut and get it out of there. So this got here the same day as the countertop, which is this morning. Here's the weight and the base. I'm actually going to put on the hose weight now. Doing this weighs down the lower end, and it's going to help me keep the faucet standing up when I apply the silicone. Now I slide in the mounting plate and the nut. But before I tighten it all the way, I want to check that this is 1.5 inches and then perpendicular to the front. And after checking the orientation, I can go ahead and tighten the lock nut. And wipe away any silicone squeeze out. This is pretty straightforward. You just connect the spray hose, reinstall the weight at the correct height, connect the hot supply, connect the cold supply, and then open the supplies. Alright, let's turn this on. So now the next step is purely a preference thing. I'm going to be converting the aerated flow to a laminar flow. So that's the aerator, and the slotted holes on the side, that's what I'm covering. This is probably going to void the warranty. Nice. So that is laminar flow. It's nice and quiet and clear. So this is before and after. Next episode, I'm going to replace the aging dishwasher Until then, that's about that.